Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called I'm Not Just A Scribble, written and illustrated by, again, Danny Albert. The story is about Scribble, whose line would cross and wiggle. Many tiny loops would start him, small, bigger swirls would make him tall. He would even be shades of green or baby blue, even crazy colors. He loved them too. Choosing bright colors made him feel free. You never knew which one he would be. Well, he could be all of them. Then one day, Scribble took a short walk. He found a house and stopped to talk. "Hello," said Scribble. "It's such a great day. I thought I'd come over and we could all play." The house never saw anything like Scribble before, but he was curious enough to find out a bit more. So even though he was grumpy and didn't want to play, he still managed to grunt. "What are you anyway?" Scribble was confused and didn't know what to say. So he said to the house, "I'm just a scribble. Is that okay?" "It's not okay," said the house. "You don't look right. Your lines aren't straight and your colors are too bright." But color is fun," Scribble said. "Can you show me why? Just give me a chance. Please let me try." "No," said the house. "You cannot stay. You're nothing like me. Now go away." Hearing those words made Scribble so sad, a tear ran down his face, and he felt really bad. But don't be upset, he proclaimed that day, so he changed his colors and went on his way. He continued his walk and soon found the sun, along with the clouds. They could all have some fun, but the sun saw him coming and told him to stop. "Your lines are too messy and we don't have a mop." "Turn around, little Scribble," he went on to say. "Go back to your home. Please just go away." You're not being nice," Scribble shouted, quite mad. "That fact that I'm different doesn't make me so bad. My colors are special, and my lines are just fine. If you give me a chance, we could have a great time." "Should we ask him to play?" they huddled to discuss. "It's fun with more friends. It's usually just us all." And although they were worried this wouldn't work out, being mean to Scribble wasn't what they were about. Scribble was surprised at what he saw the next day. All the drawings were there, and they wanted to play. Even Rainbow showed up and never came by. He was standing right out there, near the sun in the sky. We're so sorry," said the clouds as they held back their tears. "Please come to play," said the house. "We haven't had fun in years." "I forgive you," Scribble shouted as he did a happy dance. "We're so grateful he gave them another chance." Scribble gathered up his colors and played with everyone. Blue, purple, green, and yellow. It was all so much fun. Look what they created when they finally came together. It was so beautiful. It was better than ever. Wow. This is awfully beautiful. This author and illustrator, Danny Albert, is great at this book. So this book is done. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!